Good evening, friends and traders. I'm Nanakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel. It is my constant effort to help you out in every possible way. In my previous video, I had talked about the variable moving average, which will help you to identify the trend in a very good way. What if sometimes market, what it does is it goes up and down like a ball bouncing like this. Let me take the tool and show it you how it will be doing. The price will be doing like this. It goes up. You can see here today's price action. It went up, come down, went up, come down like a bouncing ball. So I am using the analogy of the bouncing ball and it becomes very difficult. You are seeing the, variable moving average over here, but it is running flat. The price is coming down and moving up. Price is whipsawing above and below the variable moving average, but sometimes for scalping, you do not have any opportunity. You will not get an idea whether to enter into the market for a short trade. For example, my trade is 5-minute trade within an hour. You can see here 10:30. We got an opportunity to enter into a call option around 24,979. It ran up to 25,060. That is around 80 points. So it becomes difficult for you people to enter whether it is a signal because many people will not have the ability to read the price action thoroughly. Price action is very, very important. See, if I am before introducing you to that tool, I am going to explain you this is the price action. Probably many people cannot make out about this price action. This big 5-minute candle is an institutional candle. See, this is an institutional candle, range candle, managing the price within that range. So, within this range, actually, we get an opportunity to scalp and make money. In the call option, minimum you can, for 80 points, you can grab 30 points in the call option if you enter properly. That is an opportunity in the market. When the market goes sideways, that is an opportunity. See, I can read the price action very thoroughly because it is a dozy. Both buyers and sellers are there, but the thing is, the price has closed above the open. The first 5-minute candle closed above the open and the price started moving down. It was dealing with the sellers. These sellers pushed the market down and it was dealing with that. And again, when it came to this level, the market tried to move around. It is like a bouncing ball up the hill and the valley. So that time, a very good indicator that is called as max trend points. If you go to the indicator section, go to the communities, you type max trend points. This is the indicator max trend points by Big Beluga. The beauty of this indicator is I'm going to apply this indicator. See, it is like it plots a blue line, yellow line, blue line, and yellow line. So in a range here, even when the market tries to move, it is plotting the trend direction. Dotted line, you can see trend direction over here. From this area, it plotted an upper move to the 0.1 percentage and 0.12 percentage like that. The trend moves, maximum trend points are also marked with a range, percentage range also. So here, For example, let me reset the chart. It has gone out of way. And if I go to the 3 minutes chart for my scalping or 1 minute chart for scalping, see, I'm on the 3 minute chart and scalping. Let me remove the drawing. Let me remove the drawing over here. And if I zoom it out, see, when the price came down to here, around 24,974, the mark, it gave a signal. See, correction 2.19 percentage, and this trend move decreased to 0.06 percentage. From there, a blue line started plotting. That is indicating some sort of trend reversal is coming in the shorter period. Suppose if you would have entered into this, because you can see the variable moving average is lagging. It is not performing. When the market bounces like a ball up and down, it doesn't perform. Then if we add this max trend points by Big Beluga, you will get the trend direction as well as the strength of the trend. See, when it fell, the strength of the trend was minus 0.19 percentage. When the second time when it fell down here, it was minus 0.06 percentage. That indicates that strength in the fall is decreasing. At the same time, it is plotting a blue colored line for the uptrend. Trend reversal is coming. It is indicating a trend reversal, and you are entering into the trade very early and riding the price action till it moves up. Let me go to the call option. Option section. Let me go to the call option of 25,000 call option. I've done a mistake. Okay, I need to go again and see, for the first 5-minute candle made a low of 155 points, and again around 10 o'clock you got an opportunity for the entry. If you would have entered around 156, you could have captured 204. Isn't it wonderful? Actually, you are capturing this move around 156 points or by the breakout. This candle is showing a reversal candle. Price action, it is showing the close above the previous candle close. And it is indicating a trend halt. Trend halt with this candle popping out and a blue line plotting over here. So you are taking the trade with a stop loss of 164, you are entering into the trade around 169. You are riding till it shows this halt in the move. Or otherwise, you can take this previous fall levels as your guideline to close your trade. You can see the price when it starts popping out of the range. This is the range. Let me remove the drawings. There are so many drawings before because I had applied that. See, this is the yellow line. It is the upper boundary and the down boundary. This is the range created before, after the fall. When the price starts moving above this range, it starts plotting a dotted line indicating a trend formation in the market. So when the price starts moving above this, so you can trade this up and down ball-like move. You can scalp it. This is a very good move. You can capture it. This much is enough for you. For an intraday buying opportunity for option buyer, this much is enough. If you would have entered into it, let me take this tool. here you are capturing 43 points. Not whole lot of it. You can capture minimum 30 to 35 points in the market. And previous levels will act as guidelines here. You can see previous levels will act as guidelines and a dot will form. When the price starts moving here, it starts in a playback mode. You can see a dot will appear before the market starts turning it. That indicates some sort of reversal is coming over here. This is a beautiful indicator which will tell you the trend strength. You can see the market started coming down and it started plotting over here. The market broke below this range, that is 173. So you are not going to enter into the call option, that is finished. Actually, put option didn't have any momentum. They were selling it. But later during the day, even the put option rallied up to 212. If I go back, you can also see how it will help in the put option trade also. You can see over here around 148, you might have noticed market broke down below the 5 minutes range, finally to go up to 24,960 into 912. So at that time, the market picked up, this put option picked up its move, and you can see it is plotting. Here itself, the end of the trend, price started rotating over here. Finally, it started moving up from, if you could have entered from here to 157 to here, it would have fetched you around 57 points. That is more than enough for you people as a trader. And it cautions you. See, here there was no trade actually. For the put option, there was no trade. Even though market was coming down, moving higher, it was very choppy. If you could have entered around 135, with the difficulty, you could have made 173 because market was choppy. Only here, trendy move was seen. You can see the blue line climbing up and even the VMA, variable moving average, plotting as a, if I ask it to show trend direction, then it will plot green color. You can see from here, the market picked up its trend from here. You could have entered into this. And this is also an indication. You can use it as a stop loss. If you would have entered around 156, you could have rode up to this level. When it started plotting the yellow line is a reversal signal. You could have taken the trade. That's how it is. This is a very beautiful indicator, max trend points with a channel-like thing. You can trade with that. Let me go back to the index and how it has performed before on Thursday rally. We shall see how this indicator has shown it. You can see over here so beautifully from this area when it started moving here, and the VMA, variable moving average, plotting green, and this crossing the range. And you can, if you would have entered around here or anywhere here after seeing the trend, the price had climbed above the variable moving average. If you would have kept your stop loss around 24,625, it beautifully ran up to that, and it is plotting a trend direction over here, 1.42. From there on Friday, market started reversing its trend. Finally, it gave 0.15. It was very choppy. It went sideways. You can see so much of choppy moves. It is a scalping opportunity for the people and finally market broke down below this and ending the market, closing the market around 24,945, and the market made a low of 24,916, if I am correct. I think it is 24,916. Yes, that is the exact level market. So probably this down move can continue up to 24,830, from where this range shift has taken place, trend shift has taken place. It will act as a support, and this level can act as a 24,784 to 24,800 can act as a, it will give you as a guideline. So you can utilize this indicator at times of difficulty when market becomes very slow, when it moves down the hill or up the hill like a ball rolling down. That's how it is. You can trade. This is a very good indicator combination. In my next video, I'll bring out with another indication combination with the max trend points or the VMA. You can take the trade. I'm going to bring in one more indicator to help you people. You first master this, it will help you in this type of situation, even in the trendy move, or else even in the ball popping up and down, falling down the hill like a making lower highs and low, going from one valley to small uphill like that. So this will be very helpful for you people, even for the option trading. You would have captured very precisely, because sometimes these, even the variable moving average will not give you clarity when the market becomes choppy. Whatever the indicator, see, even the variable moving average came down here, but the price has moved away from the variable moving average, then it becomes difficult. And this indicator, max trend points by Big Beluga, will help you as an reversal signal. You can see the price action over here, hammer, rejection bar at this level, and the Big Beluga indicator plotting a green color, blue color. And when this is the range, so you can comfortably trade the range, scalp it, and make some money. 40 points is not a simple thing. 40 into 75, 75 into 40, 40, you are getting 3,000 rupees. It is not a simple thing. If you are really, you can go take one more lot by confirmation. It is making a higher low, and the price action, I was able to read it because they were dealing with their range. And this first 5-minute candle was acting as a big institutional candle, managing the price action till 1 o'clock. Not 1 o'clock, more than 24, up to 2 o'clock, 1:57, 2 o'clock, it has been managed, price has been managed to decay the option premium. That was the intention of the big smart money. They have decayed the option premium to make it very, very reasonable level, because they pumped the option premium like exorbitantly from 60 rupees to 80 rupees to 100, 300 rupees. So now it is becoming normal. It is losing its value. We need to see. They actually, what I noticed is straddle, short straddle was built in the market around 25,000 call option and 25,000 put option. So they were selling it. We need to see which side of the market we can make out within 1 or 2 days after the market comes to the reasonable level like 24,830 or something, if it hits that level, if there is a turnaround story, the market can rally up to 24,276 or 24,147. You can anticipate for a reversal up move. That is not a simple thing from 830 to 25,100. It is more than 200 to 300 points. So you will be capturing a very good trendy move in the options. So you wait patiently, and with the help of this indicator, you can improve your entries and you can enter in with the confidence in the market, and you can scalp also. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Naranakshi Swami signing off.